Hi, welcome to Bluefx.net, and thank you for buying this last template called Unlimited one. My name is Marcelo Cabral and I'm here to show you how to customize this template in the most fast, easy and efficient way. So let's move on. In the delivery folder that you receive, you will find these two subfolders, this preset project folder and the scalable projects folder. Open the preset folder, please, and the preset 01 folder. Each of these projects corresponds a different color setup. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will use this one. So open it by double-click. Okay, here we are. Let me show you what you will find in the project manager. This is the 00 main composition which we are seeing in the timeline. The 00U change folder contains all the customizable composition related with text comment, text titles, video placeholders, and other stuff that I will show you in depth just a little bit forward. The other comps folder contains all the composition used to build this project and they are not customizable. In the other resolution folder you will find the same 00 main composition but in all these different resolutions. Now I will show you the timeline. Here you have two help us layers, the mark reference layer and the color control layer. The reference layer has all these marks which will help you to find easily all the customizable composition in the timeline. So this way to modify a composition, just move the indicator over this mark to locate the opening text, all the composition sets, the closing text, and the logo set. I will explain to you how these sets composition are organized here in the timeline and in the project manager. To facilitate the customization process, we have grouped all the related composition in sets. That means that you will find in the set 01 mark this composition called header 01, this other called footer 01, the description 01 composition, and the video 01 composition. So to modify all these compositions, you just need to open from the 00U change folder the set 01 folder and open up all this composition to modify all the text and add your video footage. But we want to make this just a little bit later. Let's start with this opening text composition. So move the indicator over this mark. And from the other text folder, open the opening text composition. Once you are inside, just select the text and retype a new one. Let me show you. Okay, done. Let's go back to the main composition. Now move the indicator over the set 01 mark and open from the UChange folder the set 01 folder. Let's modify first the header 01 composition. Do it in the same way as I showed you before. Now the footer 01 composition. Now the description 01. And finally, the video 01. To add your video inside this composition, drag your video footage to this timeline over these layers, and use this in and out mark to keep visible the video section that you want to show. Let me show you. I have video footage right here. Now we'll make some little adjustments. Done. Let's go back to the main composition. That's good enough. The process to modify the rest of the set composition is quite the same. Just move the indicator over the next mark, open from the UChange folder the folder related with this mark, and change each one of these compositions. Okay, now move the indicator over the Your Logo Set mark and open from the UChange folder the Your Logo Set folder. Now I will add the Bluefx logo to this composition, so open it by double-click. I have the logo file right here, and I will drag it to the timeline. I will make some little adjustments. Done. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. Now I will show you how to modify the colors and other stuff using this contour layer. So select the layer and open all the effects in the Effect panel. I will move the indicator over this Z01 mark to show you how works all these effects. With this color effect, you can modify the color of each element of this project. Let me show you. All these texture effects as a checkbox by which you can choose 5 different textures which appears inside the description box. And with this one, you can control the opacity of the chosen texture. As you see, all the containers appears using a transition animation. With these 3 effects, you can choose a different transition by checking this box like in the previous example. Okay, now you already know all that you need to customize this project by your own. If you have any question related with this project, please feel free to contact our support team at bluefx.net. My name is Marcelo Cabral. It was my pleasure to guide you in this customization process, and I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Bye!